practice applying the relationship regulation model. I'm going to read a couple vignettes and ask you to identify the relational model and moral motive that you think the two people involved are each coming from. They're not going to be the same, most likely, because they're in a conflict. So here, Max, a college student majoring in creative writing, is overjoyed. He had a great night hanging out with Kate, a poet who he's interested in dating. They went out for dinner, and he gave her a piece of writing he spent several weeks preparing, and she was very impressed. Later that morning, Max finds a sealed card under his door. Inside, Kate has inscribed, "You're so talented. Here are your royalties," next to several large bills of cash. Max is extremely disappointed. He thinks about that piece of writing, and his stomach turns. According to the relationship regulation model of moral judgment, why does Max react this way? Let's take a look at another vignette. Jack and Fred are in business together making organic pesto. Jack is the chef and Fred is in charge of logistics. Suddenly, a parsley shortage affects their state and their business nearly goes under. It's clear they must source parsley from somewhere else immediately. As Fred searches, Jack panics and decides to make an entirely new product and buys thousands of pounds of sweet potatoes. Fred must find transportation and storage for all these sweet potatoes on top of the new parsley sourcing now. Fred is very angry. According to the relationship regulation model, why does Fred react this way? For your discussion post, please provide your responses for the vignette involving Max, the vignette involving Fred, and then please provide a new vignette where you're the star and identify the relational model and moral motive involved in the scenario you describe. So this will probably be a conflict scenario involving two people who are coming from two different relational perspectives in the style of the Max and the Fred vignette. If you have any questions, of course, get in touch. Have fun!